everybody out there in YouTube if I choose to post this. So you're expecting the redemption for the lemons for leukemia. Well, turns out that there are 2 missing partners for this adventure, so we're gonna have to wait till everybody's involved so we can get everybody involved and have them all do it. So we're deciding to go fishing. I bet it looks pretty good, the line gang. I'm gonna try to bring you everything, but this looks delicious, huh guys? Not for you. So with anything, like in life, whenever you're doing something, you prepare, and you prepare. Right. So, doing the fishing, I can walk you through a little bits and stuff and things that we do to try to ensure that our trip is a successful one. You can see we're going to be putting these in containers as well. This is all in the name of catch and release, barbless hooks, just to have a good time, relax, let off a little bit of steam, create some good memories. So share, like, subscribe, let me know what you guys think. It's my view to you. Thank you for your support. Why not get some of the journey? Kinda, that's considerably murky. Alright, we'll check back with you guys when we get a little closer to the pond 6. Quite a bit of ponds here. So, wish us luck. It's just another way of me trying to bring you everything. And I gotta look out for hidden lakes. That's what we call a hidden lake. You don't know how deep it really is until you step in it. So you try not to. Last storm gave us quite a bit of fallen logs. That's why the water's most likely still murky. But we'll make our way. We made it-ish, maybe. It does get a little marshy about here. We could have parked over here, but what fun would that have been, guys, huh? Alright. You can tell it's pretty large for a fishing area. Dogs are to remain on leashes. And we're going to get there. Doop, doop, doop. Alright, we were there. It's pretty big. Lots of people actually out today. It's nice weather. Plenty of people playing hooky from work and all that. It being a Wednesday, we thought that it would not be as busy. We're going to go for the channel cats. It's the biggest thing they're going to have in this pond here. So, if you're wondering why we're going for that versus whatever else would be in there, trout, bass, and bluegill. But we're going to go get a good spot and then start the show, guys. All right, action as promised.
Hey, you want to reel it in?
We're going to go ahead and let...
Is he on this?
Yeah.
All right, this is the best part, is getting to see what it is you caught.
Oh!
It is a nice trout.
No.
Why? Why not we keep him, Joel? Can I hold him? Is he mad? Is he angry?
He looks pretty upset.
Huh?
Carefully remove the hook.
I want to see him. Really? It's a rainbow trout?
Yeah.
I can't see.
We'll just hold him.
Oh, he's pretty. Oh, it's disgusting. Kill him. Oh, he's pretty.
We didn't get skunked.
Hey, no, we still got some fishing to go.
Now for the Slontopotamus.
Back to bobber watching. check back when the fish is home. So, absolutely an amazing day.
Yo, guys.
The big boys got rowdy, huh? We'll check back with you guys.
Hey, I got him.
Mia
Did we
caught
use him?
a fish. It's a perch, right?
That's a little sunfish.
Oh, it's a little...
Slonchopotamus.
Now, should we use that for bait?
Yeah, I got it.
Or should we
Can
just
I
let him go?
Make it just get it now. Can I pet it? That just was mean. Oh, can you keep him, Joe? You use him for bait, okay?
No.
Okay, use it for bait.
Joe.
It's illegal to do live bait fishing here.
Thank you, little guy.
Fishing coming at you. We got another fish. Hopefully it's a little bigger than the last one. It actually looks like the exact He's upset. He is upset.
And my boot is dirty.
You were just pulled out of what was your home your entire life. How do you feel? He's not saying much, guys. Sir, can I get just a quick word from you?
Hello, I'm a fish.
Right on. Oh, he's busy, huh? Takes right out. The other one slowly swims away and took right off. And the line gang's taking you through the walk back to the vehicle. We were skunked somewhat. Few bites, mostly nibbles, 3 catches, none of them keepers. So that is all we have on this venture. Thank you for watching, guys. Not your average pimp. Sign us off.
Like, subscribe, the Lane Gang. Gotta love it.
Smash that like button, guys. Thank you. You're acquainted with all the individual laws they want you to follow. Gate hours, that's pretty important. And then we got the actual place here. Large area. We are right there.
I lost my hook in the good one.
We walked to that one.
Fishing back.
So, there you go, guys.